Welcome to the installation video of Retently Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for it, and you click on it. Then use the search bar and search for the app, and then you click on it as well. Next, you click on Install, and head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page, and then you head over to the custom page of the app and you click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its credentials, such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey with this app is right in here. We have the tutorial feature, and in it, you're going to see a smart cue video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to configure your app. We have the setup feature, and here I am going to show you how to connect the app. Click on the Start Setup, and you'll be required a token to complete the configuration. Head to your account, and then you click on the settings. Next, click on the API keys, and you click on the Generate New API Token. You give a name, and then you click on Generate API Token. Click on this eye here to display the API token. Copy the API token, switch back to your account, and then you paste. Next, click on the Complete Setup, and your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request via a ticket and schedule a one-on-one video session with the support team, and the change log feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, configure, and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.